Ready to get crafty? Grab your beads and let's create some magic. Beads are the ultimate crafting tool. Versatile, colorful, and oh so fun. Whether you're making stunning beaded jewelry like necklaces, bracelets, earrings, or even rings, the possibilities are endless with glass, wooden, plastic, or metal beads. How about beaded keychains? They're a fun and practical way to personalize your keys. Or try your hand at beaded flowers. Beautiful and intricate, perfect for brooches or ornaments. Feeling adventurous? Dive into bead embroidery and add flair to your clothing, bags, or home decor. You can even create beaded curtains to bring a bohemian vibe to any room. Don't forget about bead weaving. Techniques like peyote stitch or loom weaving can transform beads into intricate designs for jewelry, belts, and bookmarks. And for the festive season, add sparkle with beaded Christmas ornaments, or create functional yet stylish beaded coasters and placemats. From beaded animals to dream catchers, the bead-tastic possibilities are endless. So grab your beads and let your creativity shine. Happy crafting!